Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine. Today we'll be going over how to make a cute little dress for a baby girl. So please stay tuned, like this video, drop a comment or a question if you have any, and of course subscribe to my channel. Please, it costs you nothing. Just press that button and subscribe. Thank you so much and please stay tuned. So what I'll be doing is to cut out the bottom part of this dress. I'll be using 11 inches here for the length. It will be pleated, so I'll be needing about 3 times the half length round measurement for the width. I'll be doing the same for the net fabric. I'll be using it as my lining, although this time it will be gathered, not pleated. Afterwards, I'll measure and cut out the bodies, that's the top part of the dress, and I'll copy it out to my lining using the net as my lining, so the dress won't be too heavy or too thick for the baby.
I know you got me now. I know you got me now. I know you got me now. Followed you up and down. Followed you up and down. Followed you up and now I don't lost my mind. Now I don't lost my mind. Now I don't lost my. Now I know you lied. Now I know you lied. Now I.
So I'll just go ahead and pleat the fabric I cut out for the bottom. My box pleating will be 2 inches thick. After gathering up my net lining, I want to measure to ensure it corresponds with the half length measurement. So you can easily adjust it steadily for it to get to the measurements that you want. Next step is to join the bodies together, the main fabric separately, the lining separately. Now I'll be joining the top and bottom together. Remember, the main fabric separately, the lining separately. After which I'll use the lining to turn the neck of my fabric. There we have it. What's left is to fix the zip and we're good to go. Feel free to add whatever fancy design you want. For me, it's a black strip and a bow. Give this video a thumbs up if it has been helpful in any way. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.